Taxes? No sweat. Your first business filing. Starting a business is exciting. You're your own boss. You chase your dreams. But then, taxes come along. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it seems. This guide will help you navigate your first business tax filing like a pro. We'll break down each step in simple terms. You'll learn about different business structures. You'll discover which documents to gather. We'll even uncover secret tax deductions you might not know about. Remember, paying taxes is part of running a successful business. It helps our communities thrive. So let's tackle this together and make your first tax season a breeze. Ready to become a tax-savvy entrepreneur? Let's dive in. What's your business type? This is one of the first questions you need to answer when starting a business. The type of business you choose will have significant implications on your operations, taxes, and even your personal liability. Sole proprietor, LLC, or S-Corp. These are just a few of the options available to you. Each business type has its own set of rules, benefits, and drawbacks. Understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed decision. Before you even think about forms, you need to know your business structure. This decision will guide you through the legal and financial landscape of running your business. It's not just about filling out paperwork, it's about laying the foundation for your future success. Why? Because it affects how you file taxes. Different business structures have different tax obligations and benefits. For instance, some structures allow you to avoid double taxation, while others offer more straightforward tax filing processes. Sole proprietorship, the simplest form. You and your business are considered one entity. This means that all profits and losses are directly tied to your personal income, making it easy to manage but also exposing you to personal liability. Partnership. Similar to a sole proprietorship but with two or more owners. This structure allows for shared responsibility and resources, but it also means that each partner is personally liable for the business's debts and obligations. Limited liability company, LLC, offers some legal protection for your personal assets. You can choose how you want to be taxed. This flexibility makes it a popular choice for many small business owners who want to protect their personal assets while enjoying tax benefits. S-Corporation, S-Corp. A more complex structure with potential tax benefits for larger businesses. This type of business can help you save on self-employment taxes and offers the ability to raise capital more easily, but it comes with more regulatory requirements. Confused? Don't be. It's best to talk to a tax professional or business advisor. They can help you navigate the complexities of each business type and guide you toward the best choice for your specific situation. They'll help you choose the best structure for your specific needs. Remember, the right business type can set you on the path to success, so take the time to make an informed decision. Get your ducks in a row. Essential documents for tax time. Tax time can feel like a treasure hunt for receipts and statements. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you're sifting through piles of paperwork, trying to find that one elusive document. But don't worry, with a bit of preparation, you can make this process much smoother. But don't panic. Here's a checklist to keep you organized. A well-prepared checklist can be your best friend during tax season. It ensures you have all the necessary documents at your fingertips, reducing stress and saving time. Income records. Track all your sales, invoices, and payments received. These records are crucial for calculating your total income and ensuring you report everything accurately to avoid any issues with the tax authorities. Expense receipts. Keep those receipts for everything from office supplies to travel expenses. These receipts help you claim deductions and reduce your taxable income, which can lead to significant savings. Bank statements. Show the flow of money in and out of your business account. They provide a clear picture of your financial health and help reconcile your records. Credit card statements. Important for tracking business purchases made on credit. These statements can also help you identify any fraudulent charges and keep your business expenses in check. Payroll records. If you have employees, keep meticulous records of their wages and taxes withheld. Accurate payroll records are essential for compliance with tax laws and for preparing year-end tax forms. Remember, good record-keeping throughout the year makes tax time a whole lot easier. Consistent organization and maintenance of your financial documents can save you from last-minute scrambles and potential errors. Consider using accounting software to streamline the process. Modern accounting tools can automate many tasks, making it easier to track income, expenses, and generate reports. This can be a game changer for small business owners and freelancers. With the right preparation and tools, tax time doesn't have to be stressful. Stay organized, keep your documents handy, and you'll sail through the season with ease. Now that you have all your documents and know your deductions, how do you actually file your taxes? Let me introduce you to Tax Savvy Refunds, our expert tax filing service designed to make the process stress-free. With Tax Savvy Refunds, you get personalized tax solutions tailored to your business, expert guidance to maximize deductions and minimize tax liability, hassle-free, accurate filing with no stress. Instead of going at it alone, let our professionals handle your taxes so you can focus on growing your business. Get in touch with us today. Oh no. What happens if you're late? Nobody likes penalties. Here's what happens if you miss tax deadlines. Late filing penalty, a percentage of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that your return is late. Late payment penalty, charged on the unpaid tax amount even if you filed an extension. Interest can be charged on both unpaid taxes and penalties. The IRS doesn't mess around. It's always best to file on time, even if you can't pay in full. You can set up a payment plan to avoid further penalties. Tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little preparation and the right mindset, you can tackle it with ease and even find it to be a rewarding experience. Here are some final tips to help you navigate this season smoothly and stress-free. Stay organized. Keep track of income and expenses throughout the year. This means regularly updating your records and ensuring all receipts and invoices are filed correctly. An organized workspace can significantly reduce the time you spend searching for documents. Know your deadlines. Mark them on your calendar and set reminders. Missing a deadline can result in penalties and added stress, so it's crucial to stay on top of important dates. Consider setting multiple reminders leading up to the deadline to ensure you have ample time to prepare. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Consult a tax professional if needed. They can provide valuable insights and help you understand complex tax laws. Whether it's a quick question or a comprehensive review of your finances, seeking professional advice can save you time and money. File electronically. It's faster, more accurate, and you get your refund quicker. Many tax software programs offer step-by-step guidance, making the process more straightforward. Plus, electronic filing reduces the risk of errors that can occur with paper forms. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to taxes. Educate yourself on the latest tax laws and deductions that apply to your situation. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. By understanding the basics and staying organized, you can conquer your first business tax filing with confidence. Take the time to review your documents thoroughly and ensure everything is in order before submitting. And remember, if you're ever unsure, reach out to a tax professional for guidance. They can help you navigate any uncertainties and provide peace of mind. They're there to help you navigate the world of taxes and keep your business on track. With these tips, you can approach tax season with confidence and ease, knowing you're well prepared and supported.